Hey everyone, it's Brice with UT Kilts, and in this video we're going to take a look at the 5 different measurements we need to do a special order jacket in any of the styles that we currently do at utkilts.com. Now it's really important that you follow these measurements as I show you. One, the special order jacket that you're going to order, and including the vest, is not eligible for returns, so you have to get it right. Plus, you want one that fits and that fits comfortably. So these measurements will help us get everything that we need so we can make a super custom, super great jacket for you that will fit perfectly. So let's go ahead and take a look at these 5 different measurements. Okay, so for our first measurement, we want to take the measurement of our chest. This is a loose measurement, nothing too tight, because no one likes a really super tight coat and end up ripping or something. Anyways, go ahead and just get it right up in your armpits as high as you can get it, and take your tape and get it so it's kind of loose, so it doesn't fall off, but it's loose where you've got good movement. That's the measurement that we want for our chest. So get that measurement, make note, and we'll now move to the waist measurement that we will need. Okay, so the next measurement we want to do is the waist. Now this could be a different spot than what your kilt was measured for. If you measured lower, what we need is the biggest measurement up here around your belly button, which is where you're going to find the biggest one. Whether you're a smaller guy or a bigger guy, your biggest waist measurement's always going to come here, as some people do like to wear their kilt underneath their belly. So make sure you get it, again, loose. We do not need a tight measurement here. So you want the exact measurement just right around here of your belly, so that we can get the correct size for the jacket so you can actually button it up. So make note of that measurement, and now we will move to our next measurement, which will be our shoulder measurement. Okay, now for our shoulder to shoulder measurement, this is a good time to have someone help you. So I've got my wife here that's going to come in and show you, but basically you're going to measure from one side of the shoulder to the other. Doing this yourself is just really difficult, so it's better if you have someone help you, and make sure you have good posture and you're not slouching in while you're doing this measurement. So make sure you have good posture, and then my wife will come in and show you. You take the outside measurement and make it a little loose, just like that, and then the person helping you can mark where on the measuring tape it lies. Again, always make it loose, because a little loose is a lot better than really tight. Okay, now we're going to take our sleeve measurement. Remember to actually do this. Don't take it off a dress shirt. I know they have sleeve measurements on there, but those aren't the sleeve measurements we're looking for. So what you'll do, and this is the only time you could actually take a measurement from an existing suit coat to verify. But basically, we want the measurement that's at the beginning of the shoulder, I should say the end of the shoulder as it goes down. So right where typically the seam is on your shirt or jacket. Sometimes it's going to be a little different, so make sure it's just about, you can kind of see where I've got it here. I'm going to kind of turn and see how close that is to basically, and then you just measure down to where you need it on your wrist. Again, someone helping you can help this. So remember, standing straight, where you want to hit. Do you want it, up or up, further up on your wrist, or further down, closer to your hand? That's up to you. But get an accurate measurement, make note of it. And then we will do our last measurement, which is our total length measurement. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to get the total length of your jacket. This is one you have to do, again, just like all the others, but you can't go off a suit coat, because kilt jackets are shorter than a regular men's suit coat. So just make sure you know where the top of your kilt is. You can see mine right here at the bottom, because that's how we're going to base the length. Usually your kilt jacket, it can vary. It depends if you got an off the rack or a custom, but usually you want to do about 4 inches longer than what your kilt, the top of your kilt is. Just right around there. I mean, you can do shorter if you want, or slightly longer. It's really up to you, but that's kind of what I'd recommend. So you kind of get up here about the top of your trap. Remember, this will include everything but the collar, so it will not include the collar, so you don't have to go up your neck. Right where the suit coat would sit, right there. I'll bend down just a little so you can kind of see where I've got it right up there at the top of my trap. And this is also helpful if you can have someone come and help you to measure, but it can be done by yourself. So basically what you want to do is go straight down, and I've found if you just mark the top of where your kilt is on the measuring tape and just mark that with your hand, and if I go down, mine was at 21, so I would just put a total length of 25, unless you wanted it shorter or longer. But that's it. Those are the measurements that we need for the jacket. All right, that's it. Just get those different measurements. You'll see them in the listing there where you can put them in, and go ahead and place your order. As always, if you have any questions while you're going through, I'm always available to help. If it's during the business hours, I can do the chat. You can also email or call or text the numbers listed, and I'd be happy to help. As typical, if I see measurements that just don't look 100% right, I'll usually reach out to find out, just to get a little more information. But again, if you ever need any help, don't hesitate to let me know.